Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing amazingly well. Welcome back to another lesson of English with Ashish. And guys, today in this lesson, I am going to teach you what exactly a question tag is. Question tag. What exactly a question tag is, why do we use it, when do we use it, how to form it, everything about it. There's going to be a practice set at the end of the lesson to check your understanding, what you've learned in the lesson. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon as well. I'm excited. I know you guys are too. Let's do it. Alright guys, now let's talk about what exactly a question tag is. What is a question tag? A question tag is a short question, a very short question that comes at the end of a statement. It is a short question that comes at the end of a statement. That could be a positive statement or a negative statement. So it comes at the end of a statement. Now, the question is that why do we use a question tag? Guys, we use a question tag when we want the other person to agree with us, to confirm our statement, to confirm whatever we have said. If that is the case, you are going to use a question tag. You have to use a question tag. All right. Now, understand this. If the statement is positive, the question tag is going to be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Let me show you an example. You guys, you love me. You love me, don't you? You love me, positive statement, question tag, don't you? You love me, don't you? Now, negative statement. You don't love me, do you? You don't love me, do you? Negative statement and the question tag is positive here. Positive statement, negative question tag, negative statement, positive question tag. And you guys must have observed that a question tag is very different from a general question. It actually is. If you want to ask a general question, if you do not know anything and you just want to ask a question, you want to know an answer, you will ask a general question. For example, is he coming to the party? Is he coming to the party? I don't know, so I'm asking you whether he's coming to the party or not. I do not have any idea. If that is the situation, you are going to ask a general question. But when you do have a point, when you do have a take, you know something, but you want somebody to confirm it, or you want somebody to agree with you, you're going to ask a question tag. For example, he's coming to the party, isn't he? He is coming to the party, isn't he? Or he's not coming to the party, is he? In both these scenarios, in both the examples, I'm using a question tag to get somebody agree with me, to get my statement confirmed. That's why I'm using a question tag. So now we know what exactly a question tag is. Now let's understand how to form a question tag. How do we form a question tag? See guys, in order to form a question tag, all we need is a helping verb and the subject of the previous statement. That could be positive or negative. We need the helping verb and the subject. That's all we need in order to form a question tag. And here's the structure of a positive question tag. First comes the negative statement followed by a comma, followed by the question tag that has a helping verb followed by the subject followed by the question mark. And understand this guys. The helping verb in the question tag has to be in the same tense that the main sentence is in. And we only need a helping verb. We do not need the main verb. Alright? And how do we form a negative question tag? Very simple. We just use not after the helping verb. Major points, if the statement is positive, the question tag is going to be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive, right? The helping verb in the question tag has to be the same that the main sentence is in. All right, now let's take some examples and master this. I look amazing. I know I look amazing. That's a positive statement and the tense is simple present tense. Now, if I want to use a question tag after this, if I want you to agree with me, if I want you to confirm my statement, I'm going to use a question tag after that. And what is it going to be? It has to be the helping verb of this tense followed by the subject, which is I. Now, what are the helping verbs in simple present tense? Do and does. What goes with I? Do. So I'm going to say, don't I? I look amazing. Don't I? I look amazing, don't I? Negative statement. I don't look amazing, do I? I don't look amazing. I don't look amazing. Negative statement. Positive question tag. Do I? I don't look amazing, do I? So sometimes you deliberately do that. You say something that you do not believe in because you want the other person to say the opposite. You want the other person to discard what you've said and praise you. So here, I know I look amazing, but I'm deliberately asking this question. I don't look amazing, do I? I want you to say, hey, you do look amazing. All right, more examples. He is coming to the party. He is coming to the party. Positive statement, present continuous tense. The helping verbs are is, am, are. With he, we use is. How do we form a question tag of the statement? Positive statement, negative question tag, helping verb plus not plus the subject. With he, we use is. He is coming to the party. Isn't he? He's coming to the party. Isn't he? He's coming to the party. Isn't he? Isn't he? Is plus not plus the subject. And we use the contracted form in the question tags. Isn't, aren't, right? Hasn't, haven't, won't. We don't use the helping verb and the negation, which is not separately. We use the contracted form. Isn't he? He's coming to the party. Isn't he? Negative statement. He is not coming to the party. He is not coming to the party. Question tag positive. He is not coming to the party. Is he? He is not coming to the party. Is he? This is what I know. He's not coming to the party. Is he? Tell me something different. Is he? He's not coming to the party. Is it? She calls you daily. She calls you daily. Doesn't she? She calls you daily. Positive statement. Simple present tense. Do and does. With she, we use does. She calls you daily. Doesn't she? Doesn't she? Does plus not. Doesn't. Contracted form. She calls you daily. Doesn't she? She doesn't call you daily. She does not call you daily. Negative sentence. Positive question tag. She doesn't call you daily. Does she? Does she? You have kissed before. Positive statement. Present perfect tense. Negative question tag. You have kissed before, haven't you? You've kissed before, haven't you? Negative statement. You have not kissed before. You have not kissed before. Positive question tag. You've not kissed before, have you? You've not kissed before, have you? She will do this, won't she? She will do this, won't she? Or she will not do this, will she? She will not do this, will she? So if you have modal verbs in your statement, positive statement or the negative statement, the same modal verb will be in the question tag. For example, you can't do this, can you? You can't do this, can you? You can do this, can't you? Can't you? He should be here, shouldn't he? He should be here, shouldn't he? So if the statement has a modal verb in it, the question tag will use that modal verb. Alright, that's how we form a question tag. Simple, right? Now I have a task for you guys. On your screen are some examples. What you guys have to do is you guys have to write the question tags for these statements. That's all you have to do. So that's all about today's lesson, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope now you know what is a question tag, when to use it, when not to use it, how to form it. I hope now you know everything about it. So if you guys are watching English with Ashish for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, and if you have any questions, any doubts, do let me know in the comment section below. You can join my Facebook group, Instagram page. You can do that. Links are in the description. I'm out. Namaskar.